Here we have a 71 plate Ford Transit Custom. Now this vehicle comes with the LED daytime running headlights. We have the 16-inch alloy wheels just down there. We also have the silver Moondust silver exterior paintwork, colour coded door handles and door mirrors. Taking a look at the interior quickly. Inside of here you'll find the cloth seats. We have the foldable armrests in the centre. Both of the outer seats are also heated. We do also have the 6-speed manual gearbox, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights. We then have the multifunctional steering wheel. Let's take a seat inside. You'll find the dashboard in front of us with a digital screen in the centre. Put a foot in the clutch, turn the vehicle on. You'll find the phone connectivity buttons here on the left. We also have the volume buttons, cruise control and speedometer on the left just there. As you can see on the dashboard, free from any warning lights. We also have the main infotainment screen. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. We've got the radio stations, but if you go onto source you'll find the Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Onto the settings, you can scroll through the other features just like so. Further down you've got the climate control, heated seats and also the air conditioning as well just there, all working as they should do. 12-volt connectivity and a USB port, 6-speed manual gearbox. Into reverse, you'll find the parking sensors appear on the screen, back into neutral. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Transit Custom. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, not to fire up the steering to keep it in a straight line, not going off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the volume buttons here on the left hand side, along with the speedometer and the cruise control. You then have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard, which will show different bits of information. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do also have the heated seats at the front. Both the outer seat, the driver's seat and the far passenger seat are both heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. They're also really comfortable. You need to do plenty of miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. You then have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the radio stations, but also has plenty of other features on there you would have seen on the photos. For example, we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We do also have the climate control below there with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. 6-speed manual gearbox as well, which is really smooth going through all the gears. We also have plenty of cup holders from the vehicle. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so if we put our right indicator on now, we're going to slow down, wait for this car to go past, and then we're going to take the right hand turn onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes. Put the car into reverse, we've got the parking sensors appear on the screen, back into first with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all and answer questions, along with running for some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though, cheers.